You may learn about investing and how to make the best financial decisions for your life on Investor Facts. Make sure you click the subscription button and enable the notification bell if you haven't already. Share, like, and comment. Shares of Tesla dropped by more than 6% today since March 2020. The stock's worst weekly decline has been recorded. Investors were concerned that Tesla CEO Elon Musk would sell more stock once the firm releases its quarterly earnings on October 19. The majority of land investors worry that holding onto their shares or purchasing during a decline could be risky. The stock price of the firm has fallen sharply over the last several days, but this can't be entirely linked to one particular cause, making it a difficult week for Tesla and its investors. The recent updates on Tesla, such as the second AI, which presented a variety of anticipated projects from the firm, and the disclosure of manufacturers' deliveries for the third quarter of the year, are seen to be to blame for the decline. Although most analysts are highly certain that the stock will rise to the top of the chart, some are quite concerned that their shares may continue to lose value. Tesla's stock has been declining dramatically at a rate that hasn't been seen in a long time. What are the prospects for Tesla stock and its shareholders? Watch this video to learn more information. Even though it could be advantageous to buy on the drop, particularly for a growth stock like Tesla, it can be challenging to predict how the market will behave afterward. The price of Tesla stock has recently been declining, and many people are still confused about what to anticipate for the price in the upcoming weeks. After shares dropped 7.3%, the stock just reported a 30% year-to-date loss. Many attributed this reduction on the stock price, which has dropped as low as $245.98, to the stock value of Tesla's Q3 deliveries, which most people think fell short of expectation. For the third quarter of the year, the automaker announced total production of 365,000 EVs, and total deliveries of 342,000 vehicles. FactSet, Owned Street account, compiled the research for projecting Tesla to report deliveries of 364,660 cars for the period ending September 30, 2022. Similarly, Tesla's second AI day did not go nearly as planned. Many individuals think that technology is not quite ready for the commercial market and won't really change the way AI is used. Even though the business did deliver the humanoid robot prototype it had promised. Even though Musk has previously stated that Tesla cars would eventually be able to drive themselves, the automaker didn't go into great detail about its projected FSD technology. Additionally, there is the problem of Musk's acquisition of Twitter, which is now appearing to be a reality. Additionally, he mentioned in a recent tweet that he intended to turn Twitter into an application that could be used for a variety of purposes, even if this may seem like a successful move. How he is going to pay for it is the key concern. Will this aid in the recovery of Tesla stock? Keep watching to learn all the information. The price of Tesla further dropped after Musk suggested that he would proceed with his attempt to buy Twitter. Most people are willing to pay the full $44 billion to acquire the platform at its initial offer price of $54.20 per share. Musk indicated earlier this week that he would buy Twitter at this price, but that a deal would only be finalized in debt financing for the transaction was successful, in addition to using the money to pay for the social media network. Musk reportedly has roughly $20 billion in cash from the various sales of a portion of his Tesla stock this year and last year. This means that even if the stock and loan agreements are honored, he would still need to obtain extra funds. According to Wedbush Research Dan Ives, Musk may sell another $2 billion to $3 billion worth of Tesla stock to make up for this. Despite being the richest person in the world, according to Forbes, with a net worth of $219 billion, Musk may have little choice but to sell some of his shares in Tesla and SpaceX because so much of his wealth is dependent on these two companies. Investors are apprehensive that, in addition to Musk selling his Tesla stock to buy Twitter, the acquisition of Twitter could cause Musk to turn away from Tesla due to the ramp up in its new factories that are opening up and rising rivalry in the EV business. The company especially now needs additional attention. Musk has frequently complained about bogus accounts and inaccurate reporting metric on Twitter, and if he ever becomes the company's owner, he will now also have to deal with the fallout. There is much expectation for the Tesla Cybertruck, which was presented in 2019 and is rumored to go into production in 2023. This is due to a number of amazing characteristics that set it apart from other electric cars and vehicles in general, not just the fact that it is Tesla's first pickup truck. Even though the pickup truck is built for extraordinary performance, acceleration, and a vast storage capacity of more than 2,800 liters. In the end, dependability and passenger safety are the most important factors. Musk believes that Cybertruck could be Tesla's best ever creation and anticipates that the production will start in the middle of next year. Along with the Cybertruck, Tesla is also getting close to launching its semi-truck. Musk revealed this in a recent tweet that said, "Happy to announce beginning production of Tesla semi-truck with delivery to Pepsi on December 1st. Not only did this confirm the semi-production truck, but it also indicated that deliveries of the vehicle would commence in the earnest. According to a recent announcement from Pepsi, the trucks will also assist the Modesto, California, Frito-Lay facility and the Sacramento, California, Pepsi beverage plant." Andrew Foote, a spokesman for PepsiCo, said the business is looking forward to taking the next step on its successful path towards sustainability and would give additional information after receiving the product. Even though Musk and Pepsi did not specify how many trucks would be delivered, it is nonetheless encouraging to see that the semi-truck project is moving forward. In November 2017, Tesla initially revealed his semi-truck, with plans for manufacturing to start in 2019. However, similar to Tesla, Roadster and Cybertruck, the project was postponed, despite claims of reservation for the vehicle from Walmart, FedEx, City Furniture, and J.B. Hunt Transport Services. But over the past few years, demand for Tesla vehicles has been phenomenal, with the automaker leading global auto sales in many of its regions. Although Tesla hasn't raised the price of its EVs in order to keep up with demand, the automaker is still rolling out more of its car on a quarterly basis. If Tesla's demand keeps growing over the years, it might not have to lower the price of its cars, which would be good for overall demand since some consumers might be waiting for a price reduction before buying a car. Similar to how the Ultimate has seen tremendous profit margins by raising the cost of its cars, the company expects to continue seeing profits as long as demand remains high. For example, Twitter is a less complicated company to run than Tesla or Starlink, so it might not occupy much of Musk's attention or cause him to become distracted from the demands of his other companies. Investors frequently switch to other stocks they think have more growth prospects when the price of one stock declines. It's difficult to find a company that is almost as open to its investors as Tesla and also has strong growth potential. So investors might want to think twice before switching from Tesla to another automaker because Tesla as a company is more transparent in its sales and revenue, which is an important factor to consider before investing in any company stock. Since Tesla is still a young firm, it is only natural for the stock price to change over time. Long-term investors should also be less surprised by a price decline. Since stock declines are a regular occurrence in investing, Tesla stockholders are waiting to see how the stock performs in the upcoming weeks as a result of the recent events involving the automobile manufacturer. What do you think? Tesla's investors will have to choose whether to stay on to their shares or sell them out at a loss. Do you anticipate that stock will soon perform better? Tell us about it below. Thanks for watching the entire clip. If you like it, kindly let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Also, don't forget to enable the notification bell so you can be the first to know when we post a new video. In the following video, I'll see you. Goodbye.